2 today. I'm trying to make as much content as I can for you guys because I've been slacking like crazy. I just ended last video and I'm about to start a whole nother vlog now. Today is actually WEXFest, a big car show in the LA Convention Center. I've brought my E92 to this show before, never the GTR. And we're not gonna be in the show, unfortunately. I should have like registered beforehand, but I didn't. So we're just gonna go as a spectator, see some sick cars today. There's gonna be a lot of modified cars, and a lot of homies are there too, so it should be pretty cool. Right now we're cruising with the homie Dan. You guys probably seen him on the internet everywhere. He also has a sick ass GTR, all black. It makes 1700 horsepower. Look at that thing, bro. That's goals. And then we got Nick with my twin GTR over here. 2000 horsepower. Just kidding, I wish. Me and Nick have like the same mods, bro. Same exhaust, same bolt-on, same tuner. It would actually be a really good race. Yeah, but the homie Dan has 1700 horsepower, bro, in his GTR. That shit is insane. We're about to head to the convention center right now. Probably grab some food. I think they want to get their cars washed. And then we'll go to the convention center and go to the show. It's so hard, bro. Should we race him? Look at that tire setup, bro. God damn it, like it sounds different. It definitely does not sound like our GTRs. It's a fully built motor. Like everything you possibly can do to a GTR. Yeah, that shit does not sound like mine. It sounds so different. It sounds mean, bro. Hard, bro. Sheesh. And it's literally so sick. Like, it's like my GTR, bro, if I had unlimited money. The black accent, it's so sick. You guys have probably seen that car like on 1320 videos, like a bunch of racing channel videos. He races it a lot, like in Texas and stuff. And bro, I've seen like roll races of him that he's like losing control on the freeway, bro. Like, it has that much power where all 4 wheels are spinning so fast. Imagine losing traction in a 4-wheel drive car, bro. And with those tires, like you gotta have a lot of power. So mean. Making me want to go back to the black paint. Kinda want to take my wrap off now. Black just looks so mean with the carbon trunk and everything. Hard. It's just crazy how different his car sounds, bro. Just since it's like a built motor, it does not sound like a GTR, bro. You can just hear it idling, like it sounds different. I want to see this thing at like full throttle, bro. Sounds like a freaking race car, bro. I want my GTR to sound like that so bad. That shit's like fully, literally sounds fully built, bro. The way it starts up, it literally stalled, bro. Like, that's crazy. The transmission in that car is probably insane. Damn. Shit is so sick. He just got it all detailed. Looks all clean. GTR logo. We got Nifty Hustle.
That's why I want to take my grill out.
It looks good without the GTR logo. That just sounds crazy. Alright guys, now we're gonna head to the convention center, go to the car show. We're just waiting for the homie Dan to get his car all washed. Now it's all clean. She looks clean, bro. I already washed mine. We already got mine washed the other day, but this dude has a taxi demon, bro. Not a Hellcat, it's a demon. I wonder how a demon would do against my GTR. That would be a good race. Look at us guys, we all parked right here, all the GTRs. Sick, bro. And look what's parked right next to us, guys. 350Z that looks very similar to mine. A lot cleaner. Oh wow, that shit's so clean. I love 350Zs, bro. I can't believe I'm neglecting mine so bad, but soon. I think like probably my next video, I'm gonna try to take it to a body shop and finally get it fixed, because at the end of the month the homie Henry's flying down from New York again, and I think we're gonna wrap my 350Z. So that means I have to hurry up and get all the body work done that I could, so that when he gets here we can wrap it, because I've had the wrap in my garage for months, bro. So as soon as he gets here we're gonna wrap it the whole new color. I can't wait to show you guys the new color, and it's gonna look beautiful with the new wheels, new color. I need to grab some new headlights. If anyone knows where I can get some 350Z headlights, let me know. Shit, my camera's about to die, bro. I'm screwed. Alright guys, we made it to WEXFest, bro. I haven't been to like an indoor car show in a long ass time. I kind of miss having my car in the show though. Like that shit was actually fun. I definitely need to bring the GTR to a show. There's gonna be such sick cars here. So many cars, but I'm gonna try to film the best ones like always. I gotta look at this real quick. God damn, bro. Old school, Skyline, OG. It's just beautiful. Right hand drive too. The indoor car shows are sick because it makes all the cars look so shiny, bro. Look at that Lambo. Look at that. Look at the G80. Jeez. That thing is so clean, bro. Look at the engine bay, the seats, everything's so nice. Wow. Beautiful car, bro. It's like too nice. I'd be scared to drive this one. The cage inside too. Wow, that shit is hard, bro. So sick. What's up, bro? This is my homie Mickey's old car. The owner, one of the owners of Throttle, he had this car when I first met him, and it's a E90 wagon. And he converted it to look like an M3. He has the M3 fenders, M3 wide body kit. And I think it's the first Liberty Walk wide body kit on a wagon. Damn it, my camera died, so we're switching to the iPhone. But yeah, that's the first wide body E90, and then E92 Liberty Walk. I've always wanted to do this. E92 is sick wide body. Bro, I'm so mad that my camera just died. I should have had an extra battery. A bunch of cars in here, bro. Look at this. Beautiful NSX. Damn, that thing is sick. All the cars look so clean under this lighting. RX-7, the rotary in it. This thing probably sounds so sick. Another NSX. God damn, these cars are crazy. All carbon fiber seats. I saw this M4 over here on TEs. Clean. Soon, guys, soon. Some more NSXs. Hugo, if you're watching this, look. Hugo loves NSXs. These things are sick. What the heck? Those headlights look hard. This thing looks sick on bags. It's just clean. I like it. A what? God damn, this thing's probably fast, bro. Look at that. Bro, this thing is hard. This is sick. I still want one, bro. Exactly like this too. What's up, bro? Exactly like this would be sick, dude. All lifted. Oh shit, what happened over there, bro? Oh my god. Someone passed out. That's not good. Hopefully she's okay. That's how I feel right now though, because I haven't ate shit today, bro. Look, another one of these. Shit's so beautiful, bro. It's so mint. Look at the paint. And the interior is so nice. Wow, so sick. Yeah, those are hard, bro. I really want one of these. It'll be such a fun car to just cruise in. It just looks so beautiful too. My boy's dancing all day long, bro. Oh, no, E46. Oh, this looks like my car. Same thing with the hood exit. This thing is sick. F80. Sick ass wheel setup. Roll cage.
Taking parts off your car.
Sick.
Why are you not even here in your car?
Look at the shift knob too. That's exactly what I'm gonna do when I get it. Oh, I want one so bad, guys. Soon, soon, soon. The Supra is so clean. On bags. That shit's sick. I feel like you never really see a stand-style Supra like this. It looks super good, bro. You guys know I like the stand setup. I like all kinds of setup. I like the bag setups. I like the racing looks with the fat tire. But this one's clean. I like it a lot. Especially the black paint. It's so clean and simple. We got the Tesla gang out here. Sick ass Teslas. That color is sick, bro. It's kind of like my wrap, but I think I like this color better. Like the little color shift is way cooler, I think. I feel like my car is just so pink. This one's pretty sick. It has like red. I think that's why I like it. Another bagged Tesla. I've seen this one before. So sick. All these Teslas are hard. The red one is clean. Yeah, you guys know I like the red one. I really want a Tesla, guys. Like, the reason I haven't got one, because I don't think it would do good for car content, like YouTube content. But if I didn't have a YouTube channel and I didn't need a car for content purposes, I would definitely have a Tesla for a daily, because it's just so clean. But for me, being a YouTuber, I have to find cars that will also do good for content. I don't know. Would you guys want to see a Tesla on the channel? I'm telling you, once you drive a Tesla, guys, you're going to want one. No gas. It's quiet. No cop attention, bro. You don't have to worry about cops. No exhaust tickets. And they're clean, bro. I like them a lot. And they drive itself. And I drive a lot. And I hate driving sometimes. So I can just put this shit on autopilot and take me to car meets. There's so many Teslas here, bro. Oh my God, I think this is the homie's car. Laguna Seca Blue G80. I believe it's wrapped. I don't think it's an actual paint. If it is, that is insane, but I think it's wrapped. Yeah, I think it's wrapped, but still, regardless, Laguna Seca Blue G82. I like how it has the laser headlights and they match the wrap. That shit's clean, bro. BBS's, roll cage. The homie got chucked. We seen this one in my last vlog. Beautiful M4. Everyone got BBS's out here. Advance. See, I think if I got an F80, guys, I'm probably gonna go with more like this look, like a race look. Seat delete. I don't think I'll do the seat delete, but what is this thing? So looks like a futuristic car. I don't know what it is, but it's so sick. What the heck? You got a soda can as a shift knob. There's no way. There's no way. Look at the taillights, bro. This car is insane. It looks so futuristic, bro. And it's so nice. I miss my 92, guys. They're so clean. Hey guys, this might be one of my favorite cars here. It's a real Laguna Seca Blue F80 M3. Look, he even got the tag right here. Laguna Seca Blue individual paint. Wow, that shit's so sick. I love this color, bro. And I think it's super hard to find one in an F80. I think you have to like custom order that. And this dude has one, bro. That's crazy. He has the GTS hood. Red interior. I'm not the biggest fan of these seats. I would have kept the stock ones, but still clean. BBS's. Of course, everyone has BBS's. Midnight purple with a carbon hood. This is the color that everyone thought I was gonna do on mine. It does look good, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of wish I did it. Only reason I did mine because it really stands out, but I definitely think the midnight purple looks cleaner. Like, cause it almost looks black. I think that's why I like it so much. And this is the body kit I want too. The fenders, the bumper, and the thing. It's like the Nismo kit, but it's super expensive. Some M4s. Looks sick. I like the yellow headlights. This one's clean too. There's a lot of BMWs here, bro. This guy has been coming to car shows since my very first car show I've ever been to, like 5 years ago. And the car's been exactly the same. He's never changed anything to it, but he does have a lot of stuff done. And he's an older guy too. Probably like in his 50s, bro. And he's driving his G35 to every single car event. Look at the engine bay. It's pretty sick. It has a lot of work done to it, but it's crazy because it's looked like this for years, for like 5 years. This thing is so clean. Wide body AMG GT. And this is the new Midnight Red from Innosatech. It's like the upgraded version of my red that I had on my GTR. This red is so clean, bro. I kind of want to redo it on my GTR. Should I do my GTR red again, guys? This F80, bro. This is perfect. Clean, simple, nothing much to it. Just TE37s. Nicely lowered, roll cage. And this one's clean. Recaro seats. This is exactly something that I would build, guys. Very simple, very clean. And like I said, probably 18s with like a fat tire setup. I think these are 18s. These are kind of like 19s though. Yeah, I want smaller wheels, like my GTR setup, fat tire. And for sure, I want to put this cage in my F80 too when I get it. So sick. Still got like a disco ball in here. That's sick. These cars are so shiny, and then you see this thing. What the heck? The barn find build. That's crazy. Yeah, it's definitely like a barn find right there. They got rust all over it. It's funny to see here though. This RX-7 is crazy too, look. Fully drifted out. I've seen this one, I think, at Formula Drift. It's literally like my E46, bro. Same thing, all gutted, white, painted everywhere. Super sick, bro. God damn. Sick ass wide body kit. And a sick color too. Good exit exhaust. No way, bro. That shit is huge, bro. I love RX-7s, guys. It's one car that I really want one day. It's just the way they sound with the rotary. Guys, this is Ticket Dismisser's Aventador with the Liberty Walk kit. So sick. Damn, bro. He's the owner of Ticket Dismissers, and he fights a lot of my tickets. He's fighting one of my tickets right now, actually. One of them already got dismissed, so shout out to Ticket Dismissers. His car is insane. This wide body kit, I think I looked it up last time. I believe it's like a $100,000 wide body kit, bro, just to throw it on. So you can only imagine, dude, how expensive this car is. You have to buy the Aventador, then you gotta buy the $100,000 kit, then you gotta have someone install it, then you gotta buy probably like $10,000 wheels, $5,000 airbags. That's insane.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.